Hello, I'm Patrick from Bia Rebel, and this is your ramen DIY kit. In it, you have your instructions, your miso paste, your char siu pork shoulder, you have 2 portions of wheat noodles, you have an ice pack, do not consume this, you have some sesame seeds, some pickled ginger, and finally you have some spring onions. Add miso paste to 400 ml of water, whisk and bring slowly to the boil in a small pot. This should take approximately 10 minutes. Fill another pot with water and bring to the boil for cooking the noodles later. In the meantime, thinly slice the spring onions. Brown the char siu on both sides in a lightly oiled frying pan. When the pot of water is boiled, loosen the noodles and pop them in the water. Cook for 50 seconds and occasionally stir. Drain the noodles and split between the 2 bowls. Split the piping hot miso soup between the 2 bowls and stir the noodles in the broth. Add char siu, chopped spring onions, pickled ginger and sesame seeds. Slurp and enjoy.